Hey everyone, welcome to TechScale. So today we have with us the monopod or a tripod or a multipod from Yantralay directly for your GoPro. It can be GoPro 11, 12. I have this GoPro 11 with me, and for what I have bought this, but you can use it for your GoPro 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whichever version you have. So let's first of all unbox it and see what things Yantralay is giving. So this is my first time that I have purchased thing from Yantralay. It's an Indian brand. So they actually make accessories for a lot of gadgets, and let's see if they how much quality product they are selling. So let me just tear it down. Yeah, so here it is. Yes, so here is the three-way monopod by Yantralay. If you can see, it says here's the branding that this is Yantralay and something is here, and there are few illustrations given over here, but I don't think so. We can some sticker is here, but yeah, this is how the monopod looks like. Right. So I'll quickly unbox this one and see if this is of any use. So let me just pull it, and the packaging is fine. Okay, something already just, yeah, so the packaging is just okayish. Fine, so I'll just keep it here. Yeah, so they have given this small leash, probably to just carry it around, and then we have this clip over here. I'll have to figure out what to do with this one. And yeah, here is the, I think, the monopod kind of a thing. I'll just keep it here, and then we have this screw. Probably this will be used to uh, attach the GoPro, right? So, and also another thing, I think this is a mobile phone holder. So they with this one they have given a mobile phone holder also. So I'll just get it out, and yeah, this is a mobile phone holder, so you can directly patch in your phone, and I think it should work. Yeah, it is for this thing. So let's just keep it here, and let's pull our GoPro, and you need to get these things out, and I'll just keep it here, and let's see what this is. Yeah, so one way this can go this way, and then we have another this dial. I'm not sure what to do with this one, but I think we have to. Okay, I'll just loosen it up. Okay, so my bad. So you have to press this one. You don't have to, this is to lock it. So you have to press this one, and then you can move it up. My bad. So yeah, this is how the things are. So let's again figure out this. So we keep it here, and now we put in the pin. There should be a guide with this one to see how this one. So I'll just quickly patch it up. Yeah, so this is patched, and yeah, you can see this moving. Now I'll quickly do one thing. I'll quickly attach the, not sure how to attach this one. Yes, so what you have to do is you have to get this pin, this one, and you have to put it here in between this, right? So that there is a hole right over here. So now what you do is you put your this screw over here, and just patch it, right? And now I'll have to figure out how to attach my GoPro on this one. Okay, my bad, this is for the other accessories, for example your phone and others. So for this particular thing you don't have to do this. You have to get this out. You have to put your GoPro here, just like this. You have to put your GoPro over here in between, and now you do the same thing, that is crossing the screw from this side, right? So this will just take some time for you to learn, Once you're done, yeah, that's it. Now we have this thing set up. We can lock it, and now we can do all the things that we wanted to do. So I can just lock it with this one. If you can see, I can hand it over here, and now I can do all sort of movements that I want to do. So this is mostly what Yantaralay is giving, but the build quality is fine. I think this is total PVC plastic, and this is some rubbery grip is here, but this is definitely not rubber. This is some squashed PVC, which is giving it this grip. But yeah, this is fine for these movements. I think the use case is fine. I do get it. Like this one, this is fine. And another trick in the sleeve is, if you go here, if you just roll it out, you will get a tripod, and you put it back, I think, yeah, and you put it back like this, and now you have a tripod working over here. Again, the center of mass is totally, the center of gravity is totally not at the right place, but yeah, I think in some position it might hold up, but this is a total gimmick. You cannot use it as a tripod for sure, because again, center of mass is totally disaligned. But yeah, somehow I have managed it. If you can see, I have managed to put it like this, but that's it. That's how this thing looks like. But apart from this, you don't have to use this. This is just a add-on. You don't have to use this. You can just go ahead and use this part, and maybe someday you will find a use for this. And if you're interested in buying this, I'll just put a link in the description, so you can also purchase. That's it for this video. And if you have questions regarding this device, or you have any questions regarding this GoPro, you can directly ping me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.